Okay, so here in the Temple Mount, if you look towards this direction, that is where the Supreme Court of Israel is supposed to stand, and it stood during the Second Temple and the First Temple. When we received the Torah in Mount Sinai, the first thing after receiving the tablets was, these are the justice and charity laws of Israel. The basis of the Torah is charity and justice. And justice means justice, you know, if somebody murdered or stole, but also on certain small things that we have to be careful of. Not to lie to people, not to cheat. Be careful when we buy in the grocery store to pay the exact amount that we owe. Different things. Not to put an obstacle in the way of somebody by mistake. Not to damage property. So this is the basic of the Torah. And what happened was, during both First and Second Temple period, towards the end of the time, people stopped having justice, stopped giving charity, stopped helping people, and that's why the temples were destroyed. They weren't destroyed because there were no sacrifices. They sacrificed till the last day of the temple. It was destroyed because there was no justice and no charity. The Jewish justice is much different in the temple than it's what we're used to. Because right now, for example, in the Supreme Court of Israel, there's 15 judges. And basically, whoever has a better lawyer will win the case, no matter if it's true or not, if he should or shouldn't. Here, there were 71 judges. And these judges had to know, except for the court knowledge, they had to know a lot of languages really well so that they can actually hear the testimonies and understand everything and not have to rely on translations, because the idea was not to get, you know, whoever has the best lawyer, but to actually get the truth. And we hope that we soon will be able to bring the Supreme Court here, back here, with the 71 judges that will all do justice and charity, and thus will build this third temple, will rebuild it as it should be, with love and care and charity and justice.
Amen. Amen. Amen.